Here are some amazing facts about Japanese beetle. General characteristics. Scientific name, Popillia japonica. Origin, native to Japan. Size, adults are about 1.5 centimeters (0.6 inches) long. Color, they are metallic green with coppery brown wing covers. Distinctive feature, white tufts of hair on the sides of their abdomen. Antennae, they have short, clubbed antennae. Lifespan, the adult beetle lives for about 30 to 45 days. Legs, they have 6 legs. Flight ability, Japanese beetles are strong flyers and can cover several miles. Classification, they belong to the family Scarabaeidae, or scarab beetles. Life cycle. Egg stage, females lay eggs in the soil, typically in moist, grassy areas. Grub stage, the larvae grubs live in the soil and feed on grassroots. Pupation, grubs pupate in the soil in late spring or early summer. Emergence, adults emerge in early summer, often in June. Seasonality, Japanese beetles are most active from June to August. Development time, it takes about a year to complete a full life cycle. Female beetles, females can lay between 40 and 60 eggs over their lifetime. Generations, there is usually one generation of Japanese beetles per year. Overwintering, the grubs overwinter in the soil, beneath the frost line. Activity pattern, they are most active during warm, sunny days. Diet and feeding habits. Plant eaters, adults feed on over 300 species of plants. Favorite plants, roses, grapes, and maple trees are among their favorites. Skeletonization, they eat the leaf tissue between the veins, leaving a skeletonized appearance. Flower damage, they also feed on flower buds, causing significant damage to ornamental plants. Grub diet, grubs feed on the roots of grasses, causing lawn damage. Feeding behavior, they feed in groups, which makes them especially destructive. Voracious eaters, a group of Japanese beetles can devour an entire plant quickly. Morning feeders, they are most active and feed aggressively in the morning. Grub impact, grub damage is most severe on lawns and golf courses. Drought conditions, they thrive in areas where moisture is readily available, but drought-stressed lawns are particularly vulnerable to grub damage. Ecological impact. Invasive species, Japanese beetles are considered a major invasive species in many countries. First detected in the U.S. They were first detected in New Jersey in 1916. Spread across the U.S. They have since spread to more than half of the continental U.S. Major pest, they are considered a major pest in agriculture and horticulture. Natural enemies in Japan. In Japan, natural predators and diseases keep their populations in check. Lack of natural predators in the U.S. In the U.S. they have few natural enemies, allowing populations to grow unchecked. Agricultural threat. They pose a significant threat to crops like corn, soybeans, and fruit trees. Quarantined areas. Some areas of the US and Canada have quarantine measures to control their spread. Damage to turf. Grubs cause extensive damage to lawns, golf courses, and sports fields. Biodiversity impact. Heavy infestations can reduce biodiversity by harming native plants and trees. Control methods. Hand-picking, one of the simplest control methods is hand-picking adults off plants. Pheromone traps, these traps use the beetle's own sex pheromones to lure and capture them. Milky spore disease, a bacterium called Bacillus popilliae can infect and kill grubs. Nematodes, beneficial nematodes can be used to attack the beetle larvae in the soil. Insecticides, chemical insecticides can be effective but must be applied carefully. Neem oil, This natural insecticide can deter beetles from feeding. Pyrethrin, a natural pesticide derived from chrysanthemums, can kill beetles on contact. Traps. Downside: pheromone traps can sometimes attract more beetles than they catch. Companion planting: certain plants, like garlic and rue, can help repel Japanese beetles. Crop rotation: rotating crops can help reduce grub populations in agricultural areas. Behavior and adaptation: heat lovers, they prefer hot, sunny conditions and are less active on cloudy days. Group behavior: Japanese beetles are often found in large groups on plants. Feeding marks: their feeding leaves distinctive skeletonized leaves and damaged flowers. Sexual attraction: males are attracted to females by sex pheromones.